Hello and welcome to Sail with Gail and Mike. We're back at sea, and this time it's extra special. Our very first sailing on a Celebrity Edge Class ship. We're boarding the stunning Celebrity Apex for a 4-night adventure from Southampton to Rotterdam and Bruges. And we've been upgraded to Aqua Class. So come with us as we share our first impressions, explore this incredible ship, and stay until the end where we reveal how our upgrade to Aqua Class came about.
What do you think, Mike?
She's a beauty.
And we're through in the waiting area. It's 5 to 11, so it's really good. It took us about 2 minutes to get through passport control. What are you thinking?
Great. So far been in here 5 minutes and we're just about to board, so all good. Yeah, great.
There's only one row of people in front of us, so I'm sure we'll be on shortly. I'm excited. And you're on. We're just about to get on.
Thank you.
First look at the ship. It is gorgeous. Wow. Oh, here it is.
9, 2, 6, 7.
And our cases are here as well, which is good.
Brilliant.
Excellent. Oh, it's weird that the doors open outwards, isn't it? Rather than in. Oh, this is nice.
Nice.
Oh, look at the view.
Beautiful.
That's it. Oh, this is nice. I don't know if it works yet. I'll have to have a look. Oh, I get used to this.
Yes, very good.
Right, time for unpacking. Let's go. These are included in your fare. Don't they look amazing? Mike's first pizza calzone.
Beautiful.
These cabanas look amazing.
If you like this video, then please like, subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our future videos.
Pilot just getting picked up as we're out here in Solent and on our way. Hot tub! Oh, look, the sun's coming out! Yay!
1, 2,
Don't let it go out that window.
3. I'm going.
Ooh! Oh, I'm glad it never went all over that floor.
Yay!
and then it was time for dinner at Cyprus restaurant.
A very good evening everybody, how are you doing?
On Celebrity Apex, all 4 main dining restaurants, Cyprus, Tuscany, Normandy and Cosmopolitan, share a core menu that changes daily, as well as offering a few unique starters and mains. Guests can dine at their preferred time and experience different dining themes with that flexible anytime dining option. And then we went to the wonderful Eden to see the Night of Dreams show. So that's the end of our busy day. Just before we go, as promised, here's our Aqua Class upgrade story.
It was totally unexpected. We didn't get any emails from Celebrity. We didn't even bid, and we didn't pay anything extra. We were just allocated this Aqua Class cabin about 1 week before sailing. We honestly feel so lucky, and we can't wait to show you what Aqua Class is all about. Blue, the spa, and all the little perks along the way.
Have you ever had a surprise upgrade on a cruise? Tell us in the comments. We'd love to hear your stories and your thoughts.